Toys are the most common organizational issue that parents have, and for good reason. No matter how many times you clean up, it just feels like they're always scattered around everywhere. Almost feels like they're just raining down from the sky. We're gonna take care of that. Get started by gathering all the toys that you need to corral and start sorting. Form piles of like items such as stuffed animals, action figures, Legos, blocks, books. Store these items by category in different size bins. Rope baskets or fabric bins are great for little kids because they're durable and they don't have any potentially dangerous sharp edges or corners. Wooden bins are great for books because they're a little bit heavier and more durable. Pails are great for small toys like Legos or building blocks, and they look super cute too. Just because we're organizing kids' toys doesn't mean that our containers all have to be bright, primary rainbow colors. You can absolutely still use neutrals that kind of blend in with the style of your home. This is also really helpful if you're storing toys in a room that isn't exclusively a kid's playroom, because then they kind of just disappear once everything's put away. Now, let's pull it all together. Put your baskets and bins in a cube organizer. These are great for kids because it's really easy for them to see and understand exactly where the containers go once playtime is over. Putting an organizational system in place for these toys didn't take much time, but it totally transformed the functionality of the space and looks pretty great too.